There may be a few flakes of snow floating by from time to time as well. So just to add to that wintry feel, there is a wind chill advisory in effect until 9 o'clock. It's in those blue shaded counties. That's where wind chills will be coldest, feeling like 25 to 35 below. And it does include the Twin Cities metro, at least much of the metro. Hennepin, Ramsey, Scott, and Dakota counties all under that wind chill advisory until 9 a.m. Wind chill easy to kind of mitigate. Just cover up as much exposed skin as you can and you should have no problem. But frostbite times on that exposed skin with temperatures as cold as they will be is about 20 minutes. So make sure you're careful if you have to be out for any amount of time. Again, winds this morning are lighter than they were yesterday, but they're definitely not calm. We still have a pretty good breeze blowing from the northwest, about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Occasional gusts in southwestern Minnesota, still as high as 25 miles an hour at times, and so keep that in mind. Satellite and radar shows you we have a fair amount of cloud cover around from St. Cloud to Mankato, the Twin Cities, Rochester, Rice Lake, and Eau Claire, up toward the North Shore as well, and the South Shore. These clouds will be pretty stubborn today, and so while we have some sunshine on tap across western Minnesota today, I think skies will stay mainly gray elsewhere with some occasional breaks of sun. We're seeing again a few areas of flurries that are floating by from those clouds from time to time. It's going to bring at most a coating of snow. And even that, I think, will be pretty hard to squeeze out because we have very, very low moisture content in the atmosphere. Those flurries will be more of a nuisance than anything else. Let's talk about temperatures today. First, we'll tell you that we will get above zero pretty much everywhere. All right, that's great, but we'll barely get above zero in Worthington and in Alexandria, Wilmer, Marshall, Fargo, all in the single digits above zero. Mankato today about 3. Farther north and east you go, the less cold it will be, which seems a little counterintuitive, but that's because the core of the Arctic air that's come in from Canada is actually out over the Dakotas. So march farther east away from that core, and you see high temperatures today in the Hinckley area and Duluth in the mid to upper teens, maybe some low 20s from Hayward to Rice Lake. Twin Cities today should top out between 12 and 14 degrees. Again, some occasional sun, but not a lot. Overnight lows tonight will be about the same as they were last night, maybe a few degrees less cold. And that still gets many of us below zero to the west, from Bemidji to Alexandria, Wilmer, and Marshall. Twin Cities down to about 4 tonight, and then single digits, much cooler tonight, coming up later on tonight than we have this morning from Eau Claire to Rice Lake to Hayward. Notice these flurries here. We'll have a weak level, upper level storm system dropping in from the north coming up through the overnight tonight, and that will bring us again a chance for some more stray flurries and maybe a few better organized snow showers. If that happens, we could wake up tomorrow morning with some new slick spots on the road due to a fresh dusting of snow. So that's why I'll give the commute tomorrow a yellow light. Starting temperature in the Twin Cities around 8 o'clock, about 5, and then mostly sunny by the afternoon and 16. Of course, a lot of people tomorrow will not be commuting because it's Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and that will, I think, overall help the travel situation. High temperatures tomorrow getting up to 15 in the Twin Cities. I mentioned that. Again, a little less cold across eastern areas from Grand Marais, where it should be beautiful, sunny and 25, to Duluth about 16, Hayward at 19 tomorrow, Rochester 15, and still staying colder to the west with single digits. Highs coming up, though, by Tuesday, as a lot of us go back to work and school, will feel like a completely different season. In fact, we'll be at or above average for the high on Tuesday, so the warming comes in fairly quickly. Tuesday afternoon will become quite breezy and we'll have an increase in clouds, but it is looking like a pretty mild week overall as we go from 15 Monday to 25 Tuesday to 36 Wednesday. So we'll add 10 degrees each of those days, and then the mild weather will stick around. There is a storm system that'll be nearby Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly a second one Friday. So Wednesday, Thursday right now, that forecast is, I'm pretty confident in that, with a mix of rain and snow showers, possibly with some morning ice on Wednesday, and then just some nuisance variety snow showers Thursday. Friday, we'll see if that second storm gets close enough to give us any light snow. Right now, my gut feeling is it won't. So if that's the case, then it will end up being a pretty mild and quiet week.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Mike.